gentlemen of the press, on behalf of the members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, I welcome you all to this press conference. Please recall that on the 11th day of December 2023, in the full view of the whole world, Honorable Chike Amaewhule and 26 others defected from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to the All Progressive Congress, APC, after their failed attempt to impeach the executive governor of Rivers State, Sir SIMINALAYI FUBARA Grand Servitor of Rivers State, on the 30th day of October 2023. Please also recall that it is the People's Democratic Party that sponsored the election of Honorable Chike Amaewhule and 26 others in the 2023 general elections. To frustrate the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, from conducting a by-election to fill the vacated seats in the Rivers State House of Assembly, Honorable Chike Amaewhule and 26 others filed suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/1681/2023 against INEC and 4 others on the 13th day of December 2023. Subsequently, an order of interlocutory injunction was secured, restraining INEC from conducting a by-election to fill the 27 vacant seats in the Rivers State House of Assembly. After filing the said suit and securing the order of interlocutory injunction, Chike Amaewhule and 26 others began to foot drag and did not do anything to diligently prosecute their suits at the Federal High Court, Abuja. On Wednesday, 30th day of October 2024, Chike Amaewhule and 26 others, without any reason, discontinued suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/1681/2023, and it was accordingly struck out. The only impediment to INEC conducting a by-election to fill the 27 vacant seats in the Rivers State House of Assembly was the order of interlocutory injunction restraining INEC from conducting a by-election. Now that suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/1681/2023 has been struck out, the order of interlocutory injunction is also spent. Accordingly, as the Right Honorable Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, I call on the Independent National Electoral Commission to forthwith conduct a by-election to fill the 27 vacant seats in the Rivers State House of Assembly. Signed, Right Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo, Speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly, 1st of November 2024.